Welcome to a meditation for healing peace. Let's begin today's practice by finding a comfortable seated or lying position. And maybe today you want to use some cushions or blankets or pillows, or maybe you want to sit against the wall. However you find yourself, make sure that it's comfortable and distraction-free. If you feel that you need a little bit more grounding today, feel free to place your palms facing downward. Or if you feel more receptive, then maybe you want to place your palms facing upward. So let's go ahead and invite the eyes to close or soften the gaze. Begin to notice your breath. And noticing that as you inhale and draw the breath in, it comes into the body with a cool sensation. And then feeling it warm as it gently pulls down out of your lungs, and exhale. Allow the breath to fill the lungs with a deep inhale, knowing that you are inhaling energy and vitality and prana and life force. And as you exhale, you can feel your body soften and release all the stress and tension and toxins, any negative energy that has accumulated within you. Let it all go. So we're going to stay here with the breath for a moment and really focus on the feeling of deep peace for 10 deep inhales and full exhales. And as you do, I want you to really feel the energy within the body and notice the warmth and tingling of every cell within you on each inhale and exhale. So let's begin. Let's take a deep breath through the nose. Release, soften your body. 2, deep inhale through the nose. And release. 3, deep inhale. And exhale. 4, inhale. Feel the energy that surrounds you in every part of nature and in every living thing. Exhale. 5, inhale. Uniting all of those energies together. Imagine that you feel as one with each and every one of them. Exhale. Inhale. Visualize all of that energy brightly shining like the sun. Exhale. Inhale with the shining glow of bright energy right over the crown of your head. Exhale. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Just softening the body. Taking a couple more deep breaths. Inhale. Imagine that you can feel that bright energy dripping down over your body. Exhale. Inhale, slowly covering your face, your neck. Exhale, traveling down across your shoulders, all the way down into your arms, into your fingertips. Let's take a last inhale in. Feel that healing energy and light going down into your chest. And exhale all the way down to your hips. Feel it continue to drip down your legs. All the way down to your toes. Good. Just bring your breath back to its natural rhythm as your whole body is now filled with divine healing light energy. And allow the healing energy to completely fill any physical area that needs healing energy right now. Feel it warming and healing and expanding through the area that needs it and needs your attention. Allow the healing light to bring peace and healing to any emotional traumas or issues that you may be experiencing or have experienced in your past. Bring your awareness to any intentions or desires you may be experiencing, and hold the thoughts of those intentions or desires as you let the healing energy bring your deepest desires to life and your intentions to reality. Feel this connection to divine energy and light. And know that all is one. You can stay with this deep, relaxing, and peaceful energy of bliss for as long as you need. Or you can start to deepen the breath, coming back into the present moment of your day. Just take a deep inhale and bring the hands together at the heart center. Setting your intention for peace and healing. Feeling that energy by beginning to rub the palms of your hands together vigorously. Feeling that deep energy that flows through you. Just rub them together for a moment. Now you can stop rubbing them and separate them about a ½ inch apart, feeling that warm, healing energy radiating between the hands. Now I want you to place your hands anywhere on the body that needs your healing right now. And maybe this can be over your heart, maybe over a place with physical pain, wherever it is needed. Place your hands on that area. And stay here for as long as you need. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today.